I run a company called Fresh Food Daily, which gave birth to Fresh Food with Tuladu, which is the restaurant. We started back in 2015. I opened our very first branch in Devon Station. Growing up, my grandmother used to love cooking. She would cook things like isijingi, isigwakane, all those traditional, homely, wholesome foods. And so I think my love began from that time, though I wasn't aware of it. I enjoy trying out new things. I enjoy cooking traditional meals. I enjoy cooking Western cuisine as well. It's just a beautiful fusion of all these wonderful foods. Our best dish here is the lamb biryani. Our biryani is the best biryani in town. The advice that I would give to aspiring chefs would be do your research. Figure out what is it that you are good at and what you love doing. What makes KZN a must-visit destination? We cook here. I think most people, they appreciate coming to KZN and tasting different types of food. So it's pretty awesome. Come join us every day actually. Every day is awesome here.